Good morning, everybody.
Good morning.
So today is our last day.
Went by too fast.
We're ready for breakfast.
Yes, and then after breakfast, we're going to Bimini Bahamas. Woo! We're already in port.
Check out these earrings I got my wife yesterday.
They are so beautiful, and I had to wear them with my top today. Perfect match.
All right.
So come join us for breakfast. So we made it to breakfast, and here's our cup of coffee, and here's my handsome, loving husband.
Good morning, everybody. Okay, so today I picked up the usual, which is my omelet, hash browns, and some salmon here as well. Today I'm going to try something new, which is going to be the sausage. Yum, yum, yum.
And I have an omelet made to order, a hash brown, a broiled tomato or baked. It tastes so good and juicy. Check out this view. We got a beautiful ocean view. My dad saved us a table. Thanks, Dad. And check it out. We just arrived in Bimini, Bahamas. We are in Bimini, Bahamas. The weather feels nice and sunny and hot already. So even though it's mid-January, it is hot, hot, hot. So we're gonna walk around a bit and see what Bahamas is all about.
I think I need to find me a hat.
Oh yes, definitely, honey. I'll buy you one. Let that be my gift to you.
Okay.
Okay, for us to walk, it's gonna take about 15 minutes to Fisherman's Village, 25 minutes to the resort casino, and about 45-minute walk to Bimini Beach. But if you don't wanna walk, you can take the free shuttle, just as all these people are waiting for. So here is the walkway, and there's our ship, and there's the shuttle service that takes you to your destinations. And look at this beautiful blue ocean. Absolutely gorgeous. So check this out. You don't want to go swimming in these waters. You see those shadows? Those are sharks. Isn't that crazy? And check these out. We don't know what it is, but they sure look cool in the water. They look like skinny fish. We're at the Fisherman's Village. Bahama Pier, main pier in the Bahamas. And this is their 50th anniversary. So cheers to Khalik Pier. Happy anniversary. water is just as refreshing too. Definitely recommend you bringing some hydration with you out of the ship.
Everything is gonna be alright. 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 No woman, no cry. No woman, no cry. Thank you. Thank you. Alright. No woman, no cry.
We had a good time visiting Fisherman's Village. Just a small little area for tourists, and we had a really great beer, and now we are heading back to the boat. It is starting to sprinkle a little.
I feel it.
So we are gonna go back to the boat and then maybe see what the weather brings and maybe go back out to the beach. So now it really started raining, and I'm like, oh, that's okay. I could just use my rain jacket, but no, we had unpacked it because it was sunshine day. So be aware if you come to the Bahamas, just put your rain jacket, even though it looks like it's nice weather, put it in your bag just in case. Right, honey?
Right.
Here we are at the Skylounge, and this is the best bar on the ship.
There's one of the islands.
Yeah.
Cheers.
We're at the pool bar. Here is the Martini Bar area. Look how beautiful it looks. Now they have two spots. This is the first one, and they have all their drinks on display. And here is the regular Martini Bar. And look how cool that looks. And here is the Martini Bar. And this is all ice cold. So cool. Okay, we are in port right now. That means the casino is closed. So let's take a tour so you can see what it looks like. About to leave Bimini Bahamas, and look how pretty it is, sun setting right now. so gorgeous. We definitely had a great time today, and now it is time for dinner.
Bimini, we had such a great time, you're absolutely right. And the ship has just started their motors. They just released their anchor. I can hear it making noise. We're ready for, I think, dinner.
Okay, let's go. Here's the dinner menu tonight, and there's so many good food, I cannot decide. But I think I'm gonna have the French onion soup today, and I'm debating on escargot since I've had it every day, and even the Caesar salad I've had every day. So, but there's also so many great entrees like the oven roasted chicken saltimbocca and the Barilla braised beef short ribs, the grilled chicken breast, and the grilled New York sirloin steak. I just cannot decide. But Alex, he's gonna have the beef short ribs. Yummy.
Oh my, they brought us so much food. We're ready for dinner.
Tonight is our last night on the Celebrity Reflection, but it just went by so fast. Such a good time. We got some drinks. Cheers, my love.
Cheers, my love. Here's to the last night.
Yes. And we just ordered. I ordered chicken saltimbocca, and Alex.
I picked up some short ribs.
So
yes.
We'll show you what it looks like once it comes out. Okay, so my dinner just came, and I ordered something a little different. This is chicken sambuca. I think I said it wrong, but something very similar, and look how nice it looks. I bet it's gonna taste great. So let's try it out. It also has some lemon capers and some vegetables too.
And my short ribs just showed up, and man, do they smell good. Smell that? I guess you can't. I'll do it for you. It really, really smells good. I'm ready to dig in. Wow, wow, wow. My short ribs were delicious. Excellent meal. The best.
And my dinner was delicious too. They had so much food, I couldn't even eat it all, but it was amazing, and the service this whole week has been awesome. Selena as well as Alston has been great, as well as our maitre d'. Definitely recommend it.
We're looking forward to coming back to Celebrity. Love it.
Love it. Okay, now we are in the theater ready to watch our last performance. It's gonna be awesome.
You guys have a good. Where are we today? Bimini Bahamas. Anybody get off the ship? Yeah. You have a good. Anybody try to sell you anything? Oh, yeah, they're aggressive as hell, especially in Cozumel. Anybody try to sell anything in Cozumel? Mm-hmm. Yeah. And now, did you notice that the further you went into town, like the crazier they try to sell you? Like at first, it's just like, oh, you want the hair braid? No. You want tequila? No. You want the blanket? Yeah, I want a blanket. It's 150 degrees. Give me blankets. That's what I want. But you get further in. You want tequila? You want shots? You want cocaine jet ski? What? What the hell's a cocaine jet ski? Is that one thing?
Okay, so this is our last night. We just came back from a dance with the Armenian group.
We also saw a little bit of the comedy show as well as the performers too. They did an amazing job. But now it's time to finish packing, right honey?
Yes, we still have a little bit of packing to go.
The 6-day cruise was fantastic, but it just went by too fast. I wish we had a few more days.
Yeah, so I sure am glad that we were able to capture some of this stuff on video, and hopefully you guys enjoyed it.
So thank you so much for watching, and please consider subscribing, and we'll see you in the next video.
Lead